So one of the methods that the students will be using is called sweep netting. It's kind of what it says on the tin. Basically you have a net and you sweep it through undergrowth in order to trap insects and other small arthropods like spiders. So the nets are quite specialised. They are just called sweep nets, and they're made out of quite a thick fabric, which means that they won't get destroyed if you catch them on some grass or twigs. The net we're using is a standard sweep net. There are tougher sweep nets which you can brush through even more thorny plants, but the method is quite simple. You essentially bash the net violently through the undergrowth and try to catch any insects that you can, and you can often do this either along a transect, or you can designate a space where you'll be sweep netting the entire area, or often people like to say, 5 sweeps of a net, that's my sample, and then 5 somewhere else. So there's many ways you can use this method, but the basic method is literally sweeping a net through undergrowth. When you've got a full net of insects, you quickly flip the net over so the bag lies over the net frame so insects don't escape, and then you can have a look at your catch. You can either empty it into a large white tray is often best because the insects show up and you can see them quite easily, or you can look them in the net, especially if you have a pooter. You can actually pick up individual insects to look at them more closely.